everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use a product. It is called, it's a gel stain. It's oil-based. It's by General Finishes. It's the color Java. I love this stuff. It's probably my most requested stain color that I get from clients. It gives a really nice dark Java looking, not quite as dark as like espresso, but almost there, but it's just a really nice rich color to all of my furniture restoration projects. So I'm going to show you how to apply it. I did a video previously on how to apply it over a year ago, and I noticed in the video I was running super low of the oil stain in the can, and so I was applying it very slow. So I got enough stain in this can. I'm going to show you how fast it is to apply this product. But before you apply the product, first, make sure that you have cleaned your surface from any dust particles. That's very, very important. Also, condition the wood before you apply the stain. I like this product. It's Minwax. It's a pre-stain wood conditioner. I apply this every single time before I apply this stain. Super easy to use both of these products. You're gonna watch me apply the wood conditioner to this gigantic, I have a gigantic old chalkboard that came out of an old school in Boston. So I have sanded this baby. It took me a long time to sand it. Now I need to apply the wood conditioner. I'm gonna do it with a 2-inch foam brush. I'm gonna see how easy this goes. I'm gonna put it on a time-lapse video. Let's do this. I am done applying the wood conditioner. Now I've waited about 15-20 minutes for it to dry. If it doesn't dry completely, you just take a cloth and you just wipe it in, any excess that doesn't get absorbed in the wood, and I've already done that as well. So now I'm ready to stain. So I've got my gloves on. Definitely wear gloves when you stain. I got my clean cloth. I think I only need one for this project, and I am ready to apply my General Finishes Java gel stain, and I got my 2-inch foam brush. This is what I always use to apply the stain. It goes super fast. So I'm going to do another time-lapse video. You guys can watch me apply this stain and just see how gorgeous the color is. I am done staining that humongous antique chalkboard behind me. It is nighttime now. I've lost daylight, but I think you can still get a good shot at the Java stain color that I applied on this chalkboard. I did 2 coats, and I think that's going to be sufficient for this piece. I really like how the wood grain is popping out. A couple things to keep in mind with gel stain and how it differs from normal stain. You do have less time to maneuver it around a piece of furniture and to wipe it off. It dries fairly fast. I would say the longest I've left gel stain on is between like 5 and 8 minutes. You'll see it starts to slowly evaporate. That's why it's really important that you do keep in mind the temperature of the room that you're working in when you do apply the gel stain. I remember when I first started out, I was Googling how to apply the gel stain, and I found one woman who was doing it outside in the middle of the day, and I think it was like 80 some degrees, and the stain was just drying almost immediately. You really want to apply stain in a enclosed area and where it's not too cold, not too humid, and definitely not too hot. So on the back of the can, it does tell you the ideal temperature to apply the stain. Already, I just applied my second coat probably 20 minutes ago, and already if I take my hand to it, it's not coming off. So again, gel stain really dries pretty fast. So I'm really liking how this color turned out on this chalkboard. Next, what I have to do is apply a top coat. So I'm going to apply another product by General Finishes that I really love. It's their gel top coat. It's in a satin poly, and I will probably apply 3 coats to this gigantic chalkboard. And I'm hoping I can sell this fairly quickly. I'm thinking this piece would look awesome in a kid's playroom, like mounted up on a wall, or I could see it in like a cafe or a restaurant and someone using it as a menu board. So pretty cool piece, a lot of history with it, and I'm glad I was able to bring it back to life. And again, I'm gonna hold up that can for you. That Java Gel Stain by General Finishes looks like this. You can order it on Amazon. I get mine at my local woodworking store. I think it's called Woodcraft. And this is a quart, and it costs me $22.99, and I get a lot of length with this quart. I get a lot of pieces done with it. So if you have not liked and subscribed to my channel, please do. The subscribe button's in the lower right hand corner. It's red, and if you have your device in the enlarged full screen mode, you will see that button. Otherwise, I don't think you can see it. So please click on that and join me again for my next tutorial on refinishing furniture. See you guys soon.